Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to remove this data warning on TCL Plex. The data warning shows whenever you exceed your monthly data warning limit on your phone. To disable this notification or increase your limit, go to Settings, then go to Network and Internet Data Usage, then click on Mobile Data Usage, go to Billing Cycle, and now click on Data Warning. That way you can increase your limit by choosing, for example, gigabytes. Let's choose 10 gigabytes. And now my warning will show only when I use 10 gigabytes of data in 1 month, or I can disable data warning at all. That's all for today. Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you next time.